my name is Des, and this is the Stanley 55. Well, sort of. It has the main stock, the micro adjust fence, and a couple of rods that really don't work. It's missing a lot. So I found this, and I hope that's gonna help. But first, let's take this apart and look at what's actually missing, and then we'll see if I got lucky with my purchase, because parts for I live in Denmark, and parts for a Stanley 55 is very rare and very expensive. So I'm gonna use a little money on this one, but it's not gonna be for sale. It's gonna be for myself, because yeah, I'm a bit of a collector. You don't need one, trust me. And I blame that 100% on Wood by Right. I blame you, James, just so you know. But let's have a look. I'll put on some nice music and let you enjoy the unboxing, and there's gonna be a complete disassembly afterwards, at least as far as I could take it. So I'll just see you after that. Okay, that's it. We've seen the state of the number 55 and the contents of the box, and I almost have a complete number 55. Unfortunately, the cutting bolt assembly on the 45 was broken in exactly the same way as on the 55. So now I have two cutting bolts assemblies that I need to fix. But that's okay. I think I can fix it. I don't know how yet, but I'll manage. I'll find a way. Otherwise, it's probably going to be like at least $50 a piece to get new cutting bolts assemblies, and that's too much. So I'm not going to do that. The other thing that's missing is the slitting tool. I might just fabricate one from RWL 34 powder steel because I have access to it. And there's a screw down here that's missing, but I can take the one from the tower or the turret because I can just drill that out and use a different bolt for that. So that's not a problem, and I have spares, so that's okay. I'm missing the nigger and spur. I can take the screw from the 45 if I want to, but I don't really know how often you use the spurs, because I have on the sliding section there is a spur on that one, but I don't have it on the main body. But again, I don't know how often you actually need it. If you know, please let me know before I use a ton of my time trying to make one, because that's I'm gonna have to make these myself. Also the plate in front I'm gonna make myself. It's not gonna be that difficult, at least I don't think it will. So yeah, that's about it. I don't think I'm missing anything else. No, I'm not. So I decided to give myself a challenge. The month of August is gonna be the combination plane challenge, because I'm gonna restore the 45. I'm also gonna take the handle off just to see if I can fix that up. I need to fix the depth adjustment. The screw support is broken, pretty normal to see on these. So I'm gonna fix that one too, either by epoxy or maybe soldering or something. I don't know yet. I'll find out. So yeah, I'm gonna fix these two, but I also have I already have a 405. So yeah, let's just have a look at things. So if I can, I'm gonna try on this one. If I succeed in taking off the wood without damaging anything, I don't care if I have to make some new pins for it. That's okay. Then I'm actually gonna take up the woods on the fences. There's two of them, and the main body over here as well, because it's easier to work without them on. If I can't, it's not the end of the world. It'll be okay. So that's the plan. But this one, I mean, I knew the new knob, where is it? There. So this one needs the new wooden knob, and the fence is, well, not worth it anymore. So I'm actually gonna replace all the wooden parts on this and use a walnut instead for that. But then I have the Record 405, and the only thing that I'm missing on this is actually a spur or nigger, depending on where you live. So I might just borrow one from the 45. But again, I don't know how useful it is, because the one on the main body on this is almost not used, and this one is a very old one and they're not used at all. So I'm just like, do you use them for anything at all? And the one that was on the sliding section wasn't used. So yeah, I don't know if you just don't use them or what. So also because this was quite expensive, the spare parts, and I have spare irons that I already bought. So I'm gonna fix this one up, find the appropriate irons for it, and sell it, just to try to recuperate some of the money. I mean, there's no reason to have a Stanley 45 when I have a Record 405. Yeah, So, of course, this one might be prettier. I don't know. I'll keep one of them. I haven't decided yet. Depends on which one ends up being my favorite. So, also the boxes needs a lot of work. And there's a ton of iron. I think I have over 100 irons for these 3 planes. So I'm gonna probably start with this one because it's not that big a deal. Maybe make a new one, a new iron for it, 6mm one, and work my way to this one and the box, and then end up with this one. So I might be overreaching. I don't know if I can do that in a month, but yeah, sometimes you have to try. Also, I don't know what this is. If somebody out there knows what that is. It came like this. I just took this up because it's easy to clean, but it came like this. Is it for sharpening the irons, or I don't know. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. If it's something that I should keep, or if it's just, I don't know. So that's it for now. Like and subscribe if you like what you see.